Calisthenics, my friends, is like the Swiss Army knife of exercise regimes. It's versatile, effective, and you don't need fancy equipment. Um, just your body and a splash of motivation. Um, think of push-ups, pull-ups, squats. Simple yet extraordinarily effective. Why do people often skip calisthenics? Because they think it's just for beginners or it's not intense enough. But the secret sauce here is consistency and progressive overload. You can make it as challenging as lifting those intimidating weights you find in the gym. Let's dive into some numbers because numbers make impact. Calisthenics can burn up to 700 calories per hour. That's like almost eating and then burning off two Big Macs. That's a gym session whilst being kinder to your joints. Ever admired a gymnast physique? It's all calisthenics. These workouts build functional strength, enhancing your agility, balance, and coordination. If you're into sports or just not tripping over your own feet, this can be a game changer. Here's the beauty of it. You can do it anywhere. Even if you're in Portland, soaked by the rain, you can still indulge in an invigorating workout indoors. No need to brave the elements or spend on gym memberships. Those gym injuries. They're common, trust me. Heavy weights bring woes of sprains and strains. Calisthenics, however, relies on natural body movements, reducing risk significantly. So if you prefer safety over chasing clout, calisthenics is your path. Pro tip, begin with mastering simple movements, then add variations. Think of it as upgrading your skills in a video game. The endless variations will keep boredom at bay and muscles guessing. It's how you stay committed long term. Calisthenics is a stress buster. Yes, just like meditation, but with more sweat involved. The focus on form keeps you present, almost like yoga's mindful cousin. You hit two birds with one stone: stress relief and body transformation. The equipment hoarders in their cluttered home gyms, no need for that here. Just find a park or a playground and you're set. Mother Nature's gym is sustainable, freeing, and way cheaper. Declutter your life while toning your body. Beginners and pros alike ask me, isn't it just body weight exercises? Exactly. Failed to see how powerful that is. Your own weight becomes the adjustable resistance, challenging you differently as you build strength. It adapts to your progress. Genius. If you're into building endurance, know that calisthenics enhances cardiovascular health too. High intensity circuits can elevate heart rate, providing the dual benefit of strength and a healthy heart. It's how you do cardio without getting bored on a treadmill. The biggest myth, you need weights to build muscle. Please ever seen Bruce Lee's strength? All calisthenics, all power, all function. Calisthenics equals lean muscle, and lean muscle is the king of athleticism. You're sculpting a powerhouse of a body with zero costs.